see it.
Good news. We can finally be bees. This isn't your world, but we can be bees. This is good news. You can be a bee. You'll live like a bee. A pet. A pet. A pet. Look, this is good news. You'll live for 30 years.
Horse. It's time for social experiment horse. Once again. Oh my god, good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning. If you're gonna spam the stem, I'm gonna turn it off. I ain't about anything today. I ain't about it. Also, hello, new chatter. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Alright, listen. We're doing it again. We're doing this shit again. I'm back in the building. Hi. I'm back in the building. Why is my PNG not reacting? Girl? What the? Why am I just... Hold on. I'm just gonna reset that shit.
Wanna see something funny?
Thank you for the bits. Oh my god, good evening. Hi, everybody. Alright, let me reset my program. That was weird. Why is my mic just peaking? What? Why is it doing that? Do I sound okay? My fan? There's nothing going on. Girl. Hold on. There's nothing here. I'm just screaming. It doesn't? Oh, wait, hold on. Why? It is my normal mic. I'm kind of boosted. Hold on a sec. This is silly. Let me unplug it. Hello? Why is it? Oh my god. I don't know what's going on. What the frick? What the freak? Yeah, even my program's picking it up. Hold on. Let's go to the Elgato Wave link. What is it? Sorry, I don't know why my mic is doing this. All of a sudden. Erg. Hi! Man, I mean, I guess it's good to figure it out now than tomorrow. Because this is just kind of a whatever the fuck stream. Hold on. I'm gonna figure this shit out, but hi! We're gonna get to the bottom of this. Alright, let's do that. I hope we're doing good. I'm doing horse again. Let's see. I'm gonna uninstall this. ASMR shade. I know when I'm not on my normal audio. Horse Girls ASMR. ASMR. Gold ship kicks you to death. Hold on. I'm trying to find my mic here. This is very strange. Enable the microphone. What the freak? Is this bad? Oh. Oh, that's not. It's like I'm just screaming. I really don't know why it's doing that. So it's not even an OBS. It's weird. The audio? Or the mic? I know the audio's fine. But it's my mic being weird. It sounds the same? Having fun with Horsey? I mean, I would be if my mic wasn't being weird. Well, hi. The mic sounds the same? Wait, does the mic sound okay? I thought you guys said it sounded too much. That's what worried me. We're troubleshooting at the moment. Ow! Ow! The mic sounds good. It just sounds like it's an ASMR mic. Want a clip? I guess so. Let me check something. Maybe. If I turn down the gain to that. Microphone volume cutoff. Unless I just turn the cutoff up. Horse not the settings? On God. Yeah, sorry. How we doing? I mean, I also am just lowering my volume, so. Get out of here, Discord. Okay, thank you, Alina. 1 sec. 1 second. I'm going to listen to it. You guys are gonna get no audio for a minute. Let's see. I'm curious. Yeah, that's wrong. That is super wrong. This, you know what this is? This is what happened with my old mic. What the hell? This is gonna be a troubleshooting stream. That's what it's gonna be. What? Oh, good heavens. I'm gonna try to unplug it again. Oh, and did the stim not work either? No. Oh God. No, it's grabbing the right mic. I just don't know what happened. That's weird. I do have voice mod, but it's not on. It's not even on. I have an Elgato Wavelink. That's what I have. So it has an internal program that I can use. Yeah, voice mod isn't even on. I have nothing for filters either. Like, I plug this mic in and I go. That's like it. That's weird. Ow! Ow! Well, let me turn it down in OBS at least so you guys aren't listening to me crunch. God damn. Maybe I'll just uninstall it and reinstall it. Good morning. Hello. We're attempting to... Did I have a good sleep? I haven't slept. I have not slept. Sorry. Okay, let's see here. If I uninstall this device, I might not have a mic for a hot minute. Just give me a second. This isn't sleep. I thought you just woke up. No. Nuh-uh. Okay, I'm gonna mute for a second while I look at this. Maybe I should... I don't know, do you guys... I'll put some horse on. My morning voice? Okay, hold on.
Air Groove には何かと助けられている。生徒会が回っているのも彼女の支えあってこそだ。夏でも涼しい顔をしていると言われるのだが、たまにはぐったりして見せた方がいいのだろうか。プレゼントが届いているようだな。
Is it better or
何
worse?
が送られてきたのか、私も楽しみだ。
I didn't install it, but I moved around a setting. My PNG's working with it. fixed? We fixed
生徒
for
会には
real?
よく
Better. Oh, Dylan reveal. That's
ま
so
た昼
weird.
食が品切れ
Better?
を起こしたようだ
Okay. Dude, I was about to have a crash out. I bought a new mic, like a $200 mic, because my last one went to shit. And I was not about to experience that
い
again.
かような勝ち方
I was not.
そこにも意識を向けた
Oh
いもの
my
だ
good heavens. See, this is what, you know, this is good though. Crisis averted. Crash out averted. Crash out averted.
個性的な生徒が多いが走
Okay.
ることに
You
おいて
can't
も
hear any background
皆
noise or
真剣
anything?
そのものおのおのの目標夢を掴んでほしいものだ
No more horse girl. Hi, Hank. Guys. Guys. Alright, let me do this real quick.
知らせが届いているな
Solid
大事な要件かもしれない
18%.
確認しておこう
Hi, Tomato. Hi. Mike is good. Okay, good. I didn't want to crash out. That would be so uncool of me. I added a bunch of 7TV emotes as well.
生徒たちの悩
Alright, we got some shit to do here. We got some gambling to do. Uma dickhead. What does that mean? Sounds good? Okay, thank you, baby. Hello, Haru. Also, Coda, why are you still up? Don't you have another day of... What is it? You have another day of, like, freaking gay donathon? Don't you have another thing? There you go. We'll be 75. Yay! Yo, welcome in. Good impression. Caught in the act. Caught in the act. Alright guys, we're gonna start the day in my afternoon. Yes, welcome in. This is the Midnight Horse Show. Welcome in. We're gonna start the night with a scout and ow! And then we'll end the night with a scout. Okay. Knowing our luck last time. Hi, Starry. Hi. Hi, Next Rex. You changed your name. What am I doing up so late? What does it look like I'm doing? I have to... No, you know what's funny? So, you bitch. I'm supposed to have two guaranteed golds. I just got scammed. I just got scammed, bro. Oh, I love. Okay, the game says, okay, we do a little silly. Kodo, that's what I said. That's what I was saying. Okay.
Happy birthday, Miku!
What the hell? Oh shit. Wrong. We gotta go over to Sunny Garden. Oh, it's only 11. Wait, your time zone doesn't change? That's weird. I'm gonna boost my levels a little to like 60. Buh. Woo. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, I don't know if I had Super Creek or not. Anyways, Dylan's still troubleshooting. Just so I can hear. Oh, okay. What? Yeah. I don't know what happened. That was weird. It makes me upset when that happens. Okay, we're not scouting again. We're gonna scout later. So, okay, here's something funny. I did this last weekend. Same time, same day. And it was like a social experiment. It was very funny. Also, I started a career with this chick.
そこにも意識を向け
Daylight savings build. I don't want it. I don't want daylight savings. I don't want it. Your profile verb also BoJack Horseman reference. Ayo, I almost watched all of BoJack. I need to finish the season. I think that show's crazy though. That show, kind of crazy. So I did this last weekend, and it was like a social experiment. to find out whose sleep schedules are so fucked up. I also get to see like new people too, like the Europeans. I'm like, hey, I want to see my bestie. This also is not an excuse for anybody to stay up. Just saying. She is such a bad bitch though. Is Fubar. Exactly. Don't tell me what to do. I'm not saying. I'm just saying that you don't have to be here. Your unwinding time? Honestly? Me too. I was at a barbecue all weekend. All night. Like, very busy barbecue. It's not completely fucked up. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? I'm ready to play Battlefield. 5 a.m. What the fuck? Do I smell like smoke? No, I don't. I actually took a shower because I didn't want to be stinky. I didn't want to be. 8 a.m. It is currently 12:24 a.m. Awesome time to watch a stream. I don't know. I get you, Candy. I feel like it's a different vibe. It feels more, I mean, at least here, it feels very chill, because it is. My stream setup is just off, and it's just me. It's just me. Yeah. That's bro in chat. Static. Alright, we gotta do a few of these. I got a really good career on, who was it? Who was that chick's name? I don't remember her name, but I got really good. She's cute though, she's so cute. Yeah, follow my Uma. Follow my horse game. That code that's pinned in the chat, that's my social security number actually, so just so you know. Red and black. Oh my god, she's iron coated. Twoo. Okay, you gotta go to sleep. Horse social security. You out earlier? Yes! I'm glad I could help out with the horses, guys. Yo, Mickey, welcome in. So, oh, I will still. All my alerts will still go off. And I still have the sounds. We can stim. You guys can put Germa on. There is most normal. The numbers on my card, yeah, it's all the same. It's all the same. 30%. No, she's gonna die. Also, I added that glue emote. The horse glue. Oh my god. Wake up! Good morning! I'm gonna boost speed. Glue! Girl! Oh my god. She fucking failed. No! One day before debut. Guys, I don't think she's gonna debut. This is so sad. Go do something fun. I like her dress, dude. It's like giving Alice in Wonderland. Something. Do you want something you hated in? Or something I like, bro? What the hell? Really thought, oh yeah, I'm gonna do. I'm so jealous, Plush Clown. I wanna see. Oh, I wanna see K-pop Demon Hunters in a theater setting so bad. Like, it's like my one goal. My one want right now. Like, that movie belongs in theaters regardless. I need to see it. I need to see it! I need it! Hopefully something in my area, my general area will do it. I know there's like a sing-along event. I don't know. I don't think I would want to do that though. Oh my god, hi Pocket. Good evening. Honestly, we just getting started because my mic was being funny at the beginning of Twin. Pretty good though. How was off? Oh wait, guys. I'll probably talk about this tomorrow. Because there's only a select few of you here. because tomorrow is when I actually stream for real. But I got an off tattoo like yesterday. Oh my god. Ah! Scary! Let's make that smile. There's my off tattoo. Where's my judge? Where's my cat? It was very good. It was such a good day. Thank you! It turned out so cute and good. And then my partner Dylan got the other cat from the game. Let me grab that as well. Actually, let me get the photo that's just both of them. That makes things easier for me. Hold on. There we go. There's both of them. Me and my partner, Dylan, got tattoos of the game. We have to play it still. I know it has a short playtime, but who cares? Who cares? The game's sick as hell. Yeah! I was one of those games where I kept the version of it. Yes! Yes! I remember, I think I saw your blue sky of it. We were very excited too. Off has been a very special game in our relationship. It was one of the first games we ever played together when we started dating. And ever since we heard of the remake, we're like, holy fuck. Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way people are gonna get to know the peak that is Off. I love that game. Would you play it? No, well, it came out yesterday, Iron. We got the tattoos on the release day, which is also special. But I don't think we're gonna play it on stream, cause it's more of a thing me and Dylan will do, just kind of like how we do with Deltarune. But I might do a solo one maybe if people are. Woo! I'm not yawning. It's not late. If people were interested, maybe. Maybe. It was one of the first games I showed my wife. Ah! Stop! Oh, I love it. Universal experience. It's so fucking good, dude. Oh, it's so fucking weird and I love it. I love it. But I'd highly recommend anybody who's curious in the game to at least watch a playthrough, because it's phenomenal. The characters and the art, phenomenal. We had the same day off when we first started dating. We had to go back and oh my god, stop. That was I love that. I want to do at least one race today where I play Stupid Horse, the song, but I have to wait for a 2,000 meter run, so we'll see. We'll wait for that. Hopefully my girly Kieran can fucking do something here. She's so cute though. I'm so glad I got her. But yes, if you were not here last weekend, I did this same day, same time. An A or higher, yeah. I think on my last career I got like a B+. I was so close. Hi Eli. And hey Bram. What's up gamers? What's good? Cool. What the hell? That sucks. I'll snatch it away. I'm feeling a little hoarse. Okay. Moderators. Guards. She did it. Aw. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby, she debuted her VTuber model. Horse. Guys, wait, free idea. Okay, free idea, hear me out. Free idea. Horse VTuber model debut, and they put themselves in the UMA races. And they race with their new model, and they fucking win, and it's like a whole scene where they get the first place, and they debut their model. Free idea. Write that down. Ow! Come on, I'm so smart. Why you hit me? That would be funny. I think that'd be funny. Tomato rebrand. Rebrand tomato. And then at the end of the yeah. Dead ass. 22. No, go do something fun. Go pick yourself up. Tomato horse art. There you go. It's just that easy. It's just that easy, guys. Ooh, let's do some guts training. No, you don't get to bully me that much tonight. We're chilling. My stims were working earlier. Let me see if I can fix them. Hold on. Un momento. They were working. Or explode. Oh. What the? What happened to my TTS? She just fell asleep on me. What's with my programs being weird?
Dark.
Germa. Germa. Oh, there they are.
Man, he appears.
Excellent.
I believe in Joe Hendry.
Go to sleep. Take a nap. Oh. Rainbow! Golden! We'll do another pull, another horse pull. I'll get more fans. Guys, I need more fans. For the fans. For the Honmoon. Alright. Go. Oh shit. Where's can we do a bigger one? Maybe the turf mile. We'll try it. Schedule that shit. Let's do some wet. Damn! Damn! Alright, do this. Do this. Run. We need fans. For the fans. Mile changed. How you in front? Not too bad. Good pace. We'll keep on pace. We'll keep on the pace race. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I'll try and reinstall my mic though. Train the horse girls to create a golden Honmoon. Damn. It's too funny for me. Oh god. One of those jolly days. Let's just skip this. Uh-oh. Okay. Sure. Sure, I'll take it. I'll take it. Did you get any fans for that though? You got a little. You got a little. I can do a normal race now. Honka me me me. Where's my bedding? It's over there. Kane! Oh my god, is that the birthday man in there? Is that the birthday guy? I know it's probably not your birthday anymore because it's like midnight. But Kane! I hope you had a good birthday. I hope you had a good birthday. How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in, good sir. Mr. Birthday over here. Cake day is now. We're on a break. I was officially another level stronger. You sure are. You gained another foot in height. Each year. I saw that animation Liesla did for you, and it's sick as hell. It's so good. But yeah, I'm glad you had a good day. Good day for you. On the weekend too, even better. Weekend birthdays. Barbecue. I saw the pics. I was jealous. Even though I was also at a barbecue today, funny enough. I was also at a BBQ. I had a big burger. It was pretty nice. I'm doing this for the fans. Beating people up slow. Of course. Of course. I know so many people. I want burger. Burger, please. The burger's so good. Your birthday today? aka Sunday? For real? For real? You know what? Since I'm streaming again, take the clock. 16 hours. We'll do the birthday song for Sapphiric. Because that's what. Why are you always. Ghost! Because I feel like it. Because I feel like it. I'd call that a social experiment. Why are you up so late, huh? Huh? Yes. The question. Yeah. Okay, voice mod, you need to leave. Hold on, let me close voice mod. Voice mod PMO. This is intense horse school. Oh my god, it gets better. It gets even better later in the career. Just give me a sec. I'm just gonna turn my horse game down a smidgen. I'm an insomniac. Yeah. If you're a mod for Palm, you gotta be an insomniac. /positive/real. Okay. Where's my voice mod? I need to get her out of here for a second. Voice mod, I need you to please. There she is. Get out of here. Why is VTS Pog open 5 times? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that. Okay. 2 hours sleep mod for Palm. Damn! God damn! Hell yeah. Gucci. I'm doing a career now. The career in the game is training this horse right here. Horse training. 40. Girl, go to sleep. Oh, damn. Damn! Damn it. Lost that speed boost there. We'll do a power. Give me speed. Hitting ghost with the sleep dart. Yeah. Melatonin chug. Dude, what was it? It was like a month ago. I had one of those like bubble baths. I had one of those bubble baths that was like a melatonin bubble bath where, you know, you'd put it in and then it would like make you sleepy. And I was like, psh, it can't be that good. I was near falling asleep in the tub. I was near falling asleep in the fucking tub, bro. Holy shit. I was like, damn, they don't play. Girl, they don't fucking play. Enjoy the holidays, girl boss. Did you drown? Did I get better? No, I was in my element. I was absolutely chilling. Some speed. Socials? I don't got that. Gotta be more specific. Giant drown. Isn't that funny too? Like you would think, right? You would think it would be a drowning risk. I'm like, girl, goddamn. I was just like on my phone. And I was like about to drop my phone in the tub. I was like, I'm falling asleep. I'm gonna go to sleep. And then I went to bed. Okay, you just need to rest up, girly boss. What are your things at? What are your skills at? Damn, what conditions? I do like having that perk, to be honest. TBH. I do like intimidate. That could be fun. Let's do that. Yar. Ah, yeah, those bubbles make me sleepy while you're in the water. That's gonna take you out. No, I'm good. Now we can do it. Now we can do guts training. Bubble bath. I know, right? Mixed in the heat of the water with that other shit. You're like, oh god. Oh my god. I've been very bath pilled lately because I went to Lush and they had the Minecraft line, so I bought a fuck ton of bath bombs. Ow! Dude, that had impact. So I've just been using the Minecraft bath bombs like every night because they're so fun. funny enough, I don't think I shared it. Ow! But I had the Minecraft dirt block bath bomb as well. The Minecraft dirt block. And for some reason, it didn't cue into me what putting a dirt flavored colored bath bomb would look like in the tub. Girl, I was sitting in the dookie water. I was sitting in the dookie water, bro. Shark confirmed. Stop. Oh. It was dookie water, bro. Oh my god, it was hilarious. I started putting it in, and me and Dylan like looked at each other. We're like, uh-oh. Uh-oh, wait a minute. On the plus side, it smelled really good. But it was, yeah, it was dirt water. And it was even funny when I drained the tub. No, it smelled good. It smelled like, I don't know, bath product. But when I drained the tub, it looked like fucking, it looked like there was dirt, like dirt particles in the tub. Imagine if I dropped dirt bath water near Shark Island. She's leveling up! Pound Overwatch ultimate ability! Wow! Look at Kirin! I'm looking, girl. I'm looking. Get the ass. Dookie residue. Yeah, it was kind of like the worst bath bomb experience I ever had. But, like the bath, it was good. But I don't know what they were thinking with that one. But be so for real. Yay! She did it. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Yay! Good shit. Fine, Chai. Time for a laxing. Oh. Literally. Oh yeah, how do you guys like the new Overwatch guy? I know there's a few players in the chat that are here right now currently. How's the new guy? The new hero? Water Boy. Shark Girl and Water Boy. Lava Girl and Shark Boy. Oh, I don't play Overwatch, not anymore. I'm well retired. Well retired Overwatch player. What's your favorite? What's my favorite what? Go on. Thing. Good night, Tomato. Good night. My favorite thing? Well, he's right here, of course. There we go. Good night, Tomato. Say good night to Sleepy for me. Pimju, that's Tarn from Transformers. aka my favorite guy ever. aka my Blorbo. One of them. Current big obsession with this guy. Anyway, put him away. I have another guy. My D&D character. That's his name? I'm a new gen. Oh my god. Yeah. He's pretty great. My son. My son! I haven't brought that one out in a hot minute. What the fuck is going on? I want to do... That's what... I want to do a career with the El Luchador horse. That's another one I want to do. What are you talking about? Girl, go to bed. Take a nap. Take a nap. Speed. Speed. Fuck yeah, baby. We're leveling this shit up good. Okay, slay. New Lego Soundwave. It looks so cute, not gonna lie. Dylan has the Optimus Prime Lego one. And then I know there's the Bumblebee one too, but the Prime one in his opinion looks the best, and I could agree, but the Soundwave looks really cute. And I like the audio stuff he came with. Which I'm like, of course, you gotta give Soundwave the freaking sounds, dude. The freaking sounds. Alright, Kieran. Race it up, Gucci. What the? God damn. Maybe we go front. Oh. No, we'll do pace. Yo, Zany, welcome in. Rabbit did the laser beak. Yeah, right? They're cuties. Is this a 2,000 meter? What size is this race? Maybe we'll wait till we get later game to do the song. It gets really hype in here. Oh no. We're not there yet. We're not quite there yet. Not quite there. Dude, now I'm paranoid about my microphone. I know it sounds okay right now, but I'm still paranoid. Run, racehorse, run! Oh, damn. Horse. 3 a.m. Ah! What the hell-y? Some of y'all see another social experiment. Only run sprints, yeah. Fucking speeder is good, don't worry. I know. But it's just like, why would it do that all of a sudden? That's the worry part. I'm like, why all of a sudden? I'm being tested on? I just think it's funny. I did this last weekend for the first time ever. Like, I don't think I've done it in the past. But people were like, what the hell? Because it's late? I'm just like, and then it's fun to see who else is up with me. You know, who up? Who up being... who up? Who also up at... What the fuck time is it? Almost 1? Oh my god, hi hello Zoe! I was looking for them to fall asleep too and I'm so excited to see. Oh my god, let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh my god, hi Linda. It is creature hours. Who up running they horse? Who's up running they horse? In my dreams tonight? Please do. You're lucky I ain't streaming at my full potential. That's all I'm saying. Did I? Did I really? Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. Thank you for the follow. And if you fall asleep, I hope you have good dreams of horses. Linda, what are you doing awake, you silly goose? What the hecky? What the hecky? Freaking. What the freaks? I think it's supposed to be I can actually be here. That's true, Ghost! It's funny. I know one of my other mods, Rena, who's also European as hell. She's British. She wakes up in like an hour. And she's like, oh my god, good morning, Sid. I'm like, hey. Yeah, when I stream tomorrow at a normal time, because I still stream tomorrow at a normal time, that's gonna be, you know, the real shark. full potential. Not, I just had a full day of a day and now I'm streaming. I went on a dinner date with my BF and now I'm having tea. Well, that sounds lovely. Yeah, I've been kind of playing around with the idea of midnight streams for strictly weekends. I don't know, it's kind of a vibe. And people said they really enjoyed it the last weekend I did it, so I'm like, fuck it, I'll just do it again. Cause why not? Cause why not? I keep saying on the stream since I have so much going on. No, it's valid. You're valid for that. I don't care. You're good. You're Gucci. I should get a sleepy PNG. I mean, I have a comfy one, don't I? Hold on. Wait, where's my program? Did I close it? Hold on. Where's my... How? Wait, what the hell? That's weird. That's really weird. What? My Veto tube was closed and I still had a PNG going. Wait, what is what? What is my OBS capturing? That's my PNG right now? I'm very confused. That's weird. That's suspicious. Wait, what the fuck? What program is this catching? If I close this program down, my PNG is still up and talking. But how? The program is closed. What the hell? This doesn't make sense. What the? What? What is it taking from? Dude, this whole stream has been such a fucking... Like, it's running. Okay. There, it's closed now. But then it was closed already. And now it's up again. I'm astral projecting myself. You know what? You're so fucking right. Okay. I'm back. Back to normal. I do have a comfy PNG. I have this one. But I can't react with the others. We're calling Nuke right now! Right freaking now! Small Franklin's so funny. You start her career and she immediately barges into your house and I love that. Last week I got called into work at 1 a.m. What the frick? Ew. Ew. Also, Linda, it's funny. Because of these streams I've been doing, I found out that, like, specific people have very funny and fucked up sleep schedules, like Lib. Lib was one of them. I called... that was so funny to me. The runner. Alright. The runner. I don't... What was I doing? What are we doing? Whoa! I'm fine. You're making a mess. It's secret... It's so funny. It's so funny, dude. Alright. What length is this race? Oh! I have the advantage of being on the west coast now. Oh, it's not even midnight. What the hell? Damn! I know like with daylight savings it messes me up. Cause like normally it would be like 11. 2 to 9. That's like my sleep schedule on the weekend, low key. I'll stay up pretty late on the weekend days and then just wake up at like 10. This is a small race. This is a baby race. This is a baby horse. Yo, Kenji. Welcome in, Kenji's. Welcome in, thanks for the follow. Welcome to horse time. 5 more minutes. Oh my god, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Oh my god, there's a horse girl crying. What happened? Girl! No! Why is she crying and sobbing? She's gonna get turned into glue. Terrible. Terrible. Wait, that emote is so cute. Is that Tigger? Toasty. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Beach episode! Beach episode! Was that horse named Minnie Malboni? I don't know. Was it? Guts training. Oh god. Oh god, Peter. Let's just rest for a minute, girl. Dreams destroyed. Oh god, oh no. Okay, there's oh, I need to level up that card. That's what I want. I need that card up. She is such a bad bitch though. I don't know, dude. It's really cute, right, Plush? It is really cute. I was surprised to see it. I was like, oh shit, it's the beach episode. Alright, what do we got? Guts? Actually, yes, we do need that. I need to level that up. We do need to do that. Tired. Okay, another race. What do we got? What do we got for points here? Actually, is that back in the late race? No, she doesn't go to the back. She's always in the front because she's the best. Right condition. I already have that one. 400, right-handed. I guess we'll do that one just in case. Little booster. Little booster. Looking good though. What is this? Another 1200? Sprinter steak. 13,000. Okay. Okay. Pretty even. Pretty even, I'd say. Okay, okay, okay. Actually, let me write down on my notebook here. Fix my... Well, not like my jank ass. Not like my mic is bad right now. You guys saying it's good, which is good. But I want to have it to what it was. And I need to figure out why it did what it did. Hi, Corvette. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome in. Look into mic issue. Question mark? Question mark? Also, we do have an ad coming up, but you won't miss much. I'll be just doing horse things. I'll just be doing horse things. Question mark? What's the question mark? Oh, right. I just wrote it down. Why? Yes. Question mark? I say as I never get them. No, me neither, right? I haven't gotten, you know what, I'm gonna whisper so Amazon doesn't hear me. I haven't gotten ads on Twitch for like 4 years. And I do have Amazon Prime, but I know that people still get ads with that. Like, I've never seen an ad on Twitch, ever. Never, ever. Never in my life. Dude, I wanted Bourbon so bad. I want to get her again. I wanted Bourbon. I want the RGB horse. Watch. I know, I'm like, knock on wood. No ads. Nuh-uh. Oh, damn! She's so face. I don't even know the reason why I don't get ads. I'm not complaining, right? Me too. I'm like, I do have ad blockers. Hey guys, we like ad blockers. Aren't they so cool and epic? You do get ads. See? That's so weird. That's so fucking weird. Like, that shouldn't be a thing. That should not be allowed. Jeff is a scammer. He's a scammer. Hell yeah, brother. Just pay for turbo. Yeah, right. Like, at that point. Ad blockers are so awesome and epic. Guys, I support no ads. I support blocking ads. Woo! What did I do? Okay, we're good. Go to sleep. Go to bed. Good night. Just like me in less than an hour. Stamina. I don't think I've been training any stamina, to be honest. Whoopsie. Jeff the Shark is a scammer? You know what? He would. He would. Let's do a little quick race so we can get my freaking fans up. We're just gonna speed through this one. We're just gonna speed through this one. Pay for ad blocker. Hell no, Gabba for free. Get Firefox and get ad blocker for free. Ad blocker for free. Come on, Kieran. You're better than these guys. Come on. Do your thing. There you go. There we go. Easy. There we go. Yeah. Alright, guys. Ads are gonna hit any second now. But don't worry. You ain't missing much. Rub my hands together like I'm about 20 different Twitch. Yeah. My Firefox has been really laggy though recently, and I don't know why. Like, I've found myself going back to Chrome for very specific things. And I'm just like, I don't know. It's kind of been pissing me off a little. I'm just like, what's going on? What the frick? Use Brave. Interesting. There's so many different ones now. Oh yeah, let's do Power Boost. Power Booster! Alright. Let's do... Ooh, frenzy pace.
正直
What do we got here? Another one? Wits. Where is my girl at? This one there. Look at all that. Yeah. 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 Bold. Bold and brash.
ダメこんな疲れた顔じゃ
Go to sleep. Good night. Good night. Take a break. Oh, guys, I want to go to a farmer's market again soon. It's been too long.
Blah 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 blah
Hey.
blah blah blah.
Hey, cut that out. Hey, cut that out, Toast. Cut that out. Hi, Toast. Good evening. Oh. Toast is so mean to me. She hates me. Hello, Toast. What are you doing? What are you doing? But yeah, I want to go to a farmer's market again. Wait, there is like this tiny little baby local. Oh, Jesus Christ. Tiny little baby local, like, what is it? Little garden that's a few blocks away from my house. So I like to go and see what people are growing. And there's like so many big fruit, like freaking vegetables there.
いい感じ
I love you, that's why. What the?
あげられそう
I want to try Chrome Mask Firefox Post. Oh, I'll write that down. I used to run worse. Yeah. Yeah, it's YouTube that's been like really shitting the bed lately. And I'm like, God damn, okay. What the hell?
頑張ります
I just play this game because I love the stories. I really want to get into the stories too. I have like yet to touch any of the stories, but when I go to play the stories is when I'll actually be paying attention to the game. Toast, how you doing tonight?
トレーニングって頭も体も心も
Time for Valentine's!
結構大変
What the?
だから可愛く見せがいがあるの
Actually, what day is it? We're at gold, power. You know what? Maybe we'll do another race. We could try the Tokyo dirt. Hey! No, the dirt. That's like the fucking... It's like the bath bomb I used. Tokyo dirt, bro. Maybe we'll do the G2. Yeah, let's do that one. I'm gonna get myself some sparkling ice in a sec. We'll drink our working cons. I got Taco Bell today. They give you extra dink! That's always the best. That happened to me at Starbucks one time. Because Starbucks always does that. If they get your drink wrong, they'll just let you have it. But like the last time that happened to me, I was like... So I like to order a caramel macchiato from Starbucks. It's just like the caramel coffee. It's pretty good. And I ordered my normal, which is an iced caramel macchiato. And I get to like the drive-in, I get to the window, and they give me a hot caramel macchiato, and I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry, I asked for an iced caramel macchiato. And she's like, oh, okay, you can just keep that one. But she sounded annoyed, like it was my fault that I totally asked for the wrong one. Also, thank you for the follow. But I don't know, I just felt bad, like I gave her like an issue. But I'm like, this isn't what I ordered. It's so good. It's like my favorite drink there. Sleepy Shark PNG with those Hoogie Worry Hood. Honestly, I could ask Cal if I continue doing these streams, which I might, because they're like literally so easy. I'll see if Cal wants to make me up a little comfy PNG. I'll just throw more money at him, like a snooze one, a snooze PNG. Totally. Secret horse time. This is so secretive. I hope nobody subs to me. Hi, Ellie! Hi, Ali. How you doing?
Sid, I bought too many chalupas at 3 a.m. Do you want one?
Yes. Yes, the door is open. Welcome in. Welcome in. How you doing? It's good to see you. Welcome in. Thanks for the 40 months! God, fuck. Good evening. How's the horse? Honestly, pretty good. I'm running Kieran right now. It's going pretty nice. Not too bad. A snooze on with the bubble nose. Stop, that'd be so cute. Also, welcome in, Nikki. Hello. Have a good drink, toast. Also, hi, AOL. Hi, it's good to see you too. Yeah, we're doing a little super late night horse moment. I did this last weekend too. I don't know, it's just fun. I get to see who's up at this time of the day. You know, little experiment, if you will. If you're short random one for the Uber game, maybe it said horse PJs. That could be silly. Little pajama party. Little pajama party. Or you know what, Coda, you're in the chat. Coda, do you think you would like? I got that one-year character here from you. That's literally me in a blanket. Do you think you could turn that into some like simple PNG? You could probably do that. Just throw some money at you. Upon you. I'll throw more money at you at the gayathon. Easy peasy? Okay. Maybe we'll put it in the books. We'll put them in the books. No rush. Because again, I don't know how often I'm finna do this. Sleepover stream! It really is though, isn't it? I am in a shark costume. It's actually alive. It's eating me. How you doing it, Hell? How you doing? What are you doing up? I like to know what everyone's doing. What are you doing awake? What are you doing? Also, Allie, thank you again. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Oh, I feel like things have been so busy lately with everything and all the time. And I have to start planning Halloween, which I have been, to be honest. Halloween plans are in the go, but it's just like, oh, I don't want, oh, it's just so much work. And I do it to myself. I really do it to myself. But we'll see. I'm excited. Let's just hope that Halloween doesn't repeat itself like last year. What a nightmare. What a fucking nightmare last year was. Like, no joke. Not in a Halloween nightmare way, in like a literal life nightmare kind of way. Let's do that. No PC horror. No, yeah, probably not. Hi, Void. Good morning. Oh my god, good morning. Dude, that was crazy. Wasn't that insane? Wasn't me almost losing all my files insane? The real horror. Void, good morning. How you doing? Ocean Steaks, that's just like me. I'm getting my butt kicked by Steve and Monster Hunter. Oh, fuck. Is someone up and I go, Gremlin hour stream! Yeah, but that's just more so it's less gremlin and just more me sleepy. I'm just the sleeper. Yo, can we actually get a shout out for Allie? Allie, oh, that is a long time friendo right there. Huge. I'm coming up on 5 years this year for streaming. I have to go to work in an hour. What if you quit your job? What if you did? What if you did that? Why not? Do it right now. Send in the letter. Good point. Good point. What a wild demand. What if you did that? But money. W Place Guy, did he really? Oh my god, Elena, you're so evil. This is good news. This is good news. Alright, come on, girly. Come on, girly, you got it. You in that. You got that. Good morning, Void. Good morning. Holy shit. This is good news. We can be horses. Okay, so also last time I did this, last weekend, we raided with the horse emoji, but the horse emoji just didn't fucking work. So we're gonna do something different. Also, it's very funny, the difference between last weekend. Last weekend, I got like, I started streaming at like midnight. I got like several raids. It was insane. I didn't expect it at all. I was like, holy fuck, what's happening? And it's been chill tonight. Like, it's actually been the chiller tonight, so. She did it! Top 3, baby. God damn, okay. We getting up in here. This is a good career. So far. 0 turns? Thanks, game. Great. Okay, we got a little energy at least. At least. Like, peaceful. It's so peaceful. Alright, what is this? Frenzied pace chasers increase time needed for pace chasers to calm down when they become rushed. Distort. God, we got a lot of shit. We got a lot of shit here. I want to keep playing. I want to keep playing Voices of the Void as well, but I need to start planning a new save file because I didn't realize that the story mode just hard locks you at day 49, which is fine. But if it's a risk at the events that happen in the game, then what's the point? I'll just play on a sandbox mode. So I'll probably do that, and then do a whole thing with the sub points and make a fun thing about it. We'll see. God, your stamina's ass. Oh shit, I fucked up. What entry, Matt? What do you mean? Oh, okay, she's fine. She'll be okay. I still haven't played the last... honestly, the last couple of updates I didn't notice too much, but that's probably because my current game file is like borked as hell. So she's gonna explode. She's gonna fucking turn into glue. Oh fuck. Oh no. Oh brother. Oh brother. Someone was asking how to make Omega, and yeah, didn't they totally change Omega Curfer too? I heard they made it slightly easier, but it's also still like a fucking goose hunt. So, I don't know, dude. It's like, I just gotta find like a new YouTube video every time. Ow! Ow! Oh. It's pretty endgame, yeah. Which is good, I mean, that's fine. That's totally fine. I thought Omega was a wizard. Actually, he's a Magus. Get it right. Get it right. I'm glad everyone's Donathons have been going so well. It makes me so happy. I feel like 2025 on Twitch is like year of the Donathon. I just feel like I've been seeing them every other week, which is fine. But what makes me even happier is that everyone's is doing great. Everyone's doing awesome. They're all getting hit. Exploded even. Come on, Kieran, pull up. Okay, I'll pull up. Hop out of the after party. Oh yeah, she's good. What game are we talking about? We're talking about, yeah, Voices of the Void. They're going crazy this year. It makes me so happy. Big TwitchCon year. Damn, that's pretty. Look at that. Look at that trophy. Okay. Nice. Good shite. Fine shite. She didn't explode. She'll be fine. Jesus Christ. I was helping with one today and Anna. $1,400? What? Oh my good heavens. That's my fucking rent, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god. People like it's the suspiciously wealthy furries. Suspiciously wealthy VTubers. Dude, go to sleep.
ダメこんな疲れて
For whole hell!
これらしく
Right?
ない
Right? That's what I'm saying. Some people can do it. Some people just, they got that job. For rent, someone stepped the fuck up. That's amazing. That is amazing.
いっぱい頑張ったら
Oh, actually, we'll do stamina.
頑張ります
You never know who you're gonna meet or who's gonna come to your Twitch streams. You know?
そうだ
Business owners, etc. It's crazy. It's really crazy when you think about it.
切っていこ
Either in IT or they chose. Yeah. Yeah, right? Suspiciously wealthy furry.
ちょっと付き合えよ
Oh god.
うついトレ
Let's do stamina.
頑張ります
They said, watch me, right? Honestly. Nice.
正直
Alright, you need to go back to bed.
そうそう
Beach episode! Beach time! Oh, let's go. Wait. Nicki Minaj.
Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, down the Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to
Come by.
Patron, let's go get it down. The
あ
sound, is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't give a shit.
Rest. Rest. Get that stamina up. It's over. Beach episode is over. It's over!
ダメこんな疲れ
Why, there's a pinned message now? Yeah, that's my social security number if you wanted it. Just in case. Just in case. Over already? I know.
最高あとは
It just goes by so fast. Firm conditions? I guess that's the only one we can do. Oh wait, we got the strategist. Nah. Yeah. Nah.
プランもイメージもバッチリあとは彼に
Damn. 13,000. It's raining! It's perfect, you guys, because she has wet conditions. Hello? Oh, what the fuck? What the? How? How? How did that happen? What the fuck? So I keep my follows anonymous, but I have to call you out. Thank you for the follow, suspiciously wealthy furry. I am not joking. Okay, which one of you motherfuckers? Which one of you motherfuckers? I'm looking at you. I am looking at you. Which one? Which one of you? You said my name 3 times. Oh no! I have tears in my eyes, so I appeared. Just like Bloody Mary. Holy fuck! You just made my night. You just made my night. Welcome in. What the fuck? What the fuck?
2番人気は1番
Was this real? Is this real? Someone I know, yeah, that's a full-fledged. Oh my god.
ちゃんと見てね
God damn. I can't get over this.
快速自慢が集う
Alright, Kieran. Alright, Kieran. Oh, I love her. She's my favorite horse, by the way, this girl. That's I know! You rang! I looked in the mirror 3 times. Said the name. Good lord. I can't believe this. Shit. Alright, it's raining. It's raining. But Kieran likes the weather. That's no big deal. That's no big deal. This has been a good day. And it only just started. Jeez Louise. I know, right? Churros. Hello, Great Khan. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome. Kieran. Churro. Kieran, you're falling behind. Fucking girl, come on. I have 80 hours. You have 80 hours in this game, Void. What the hell? How? How? Actually, I think 5th is okay. No, never mind. No, it's not. Try again. Rewind time. Rewind the clock. Bakushin! I love Bakushin. I love the Bakushin song. I think I am a horse at this point. Well, what's your favorite food? Alright, let's see how Tasha does. Let's see, okay? Okay, let's fucking get it! Walk in! Walk the fuck in! Ah!
Drop it.
Okay! For it! That's not... We have a hype train! Shit! Thank you for the 5 gifted subs. You're very peak for that. And Kieran just won the game! Whoa! Suspiciously wealthy furry, thank you for the 5 gifted subs to the community!
Fucking dumbass!
Call to Blackie! You know, the gift is sub to Poncha. Guys, why do we have a hype train? It's 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m. Thank you for the 5 gifteds. Holy shit. Who got those? Holy fuck. Fallen got one! Beef sub. Dimothy. This is so funny. Made my night. Thank you guys. Thanks for the hype trade. You don't have to do that. Oh my god. I appreciate it. Holy fart. What the hell? What the hell? Yeah, hype train. I think I did this last time. Or maybe I think Blanc did. I know Blanc went crazy last time. Speed! No longer sleepy baby time. It's time to wake up, chat. Everyone gets one. You're very sweet. What the hell? Yo, Lorax, welcome in. Guys, the Lorax is here. Alright. We'll do power. Power hour. Your name strikes fear. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We got everyone tonight. Oh god. The whole squad is pulling. God. Alright, we got some big boy training here. Get your stamina up, girly boss. For real, for real. From your morning shift? Oh my god, good morning. Alright, ooh, we're getting some big letters here. I'm gonna do some speed. We do get a bit quirky at night. That is true. You're still right. Alright, we got a finale coming up. We got a finale race coming up, every pony. Hmm. 30% off! What a steal of a deal. It's late, gotta go forever. Goodbye, suspiciously wealthy furry. Goodbye. It was so good to see you. Thank you for blessing us with your presence. Have a good night. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Good night. I think my manager's secretly FNAF fan. You know what? That'd be based. Alright. We're gonna do a qualifier finale here. We got a 1400 mile race. Mile? Alright, thank you for that hype train, guys. It's almost over. 9 pace! Ooh! Ooh! That's fine. She's got it. I believe in her. I believe in her. That's hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what we got going here. You know, I'll keep the music going for now. Dude, me and Dylan started playing Deltarune Chapter 4. And we've barely even gotten into the meat or potatoes of it. But holy shit. It's been very good so far. I love voicing the silly characters. Thank you guys for the hype train. Thank you so much. Did not have to do that. Greatly appreciate. I know, I can't wait to keep playing it. I'm like kind of bugging Dylan. I'm like, yo, we gotta play more. Because we've been voicing the characters together and whatnot. And I'm voicing Susie. And a lot of other characters. Go, kid, go! Run! Go! Chapter 4 rules. I've seen, you know what's funny? I feel like I've barely seen any spoilers for it, which is good. And it's been like, are you gonna do the funny route? I don't know yet. I'm aware of the weird route though. I am aware of, ow! I am aware of it. So we'll see. I feel like I'd hear you as a Susie voice claim. Stop. That's so fun. That's so sweet. I've been told that on TikTok. I was told on TikTok that somebody, like, I remind them of Susie. I'm Susie coded. That was the word. That was the word. I'm Susie coded. And then I took that and I held it in my hand forever. Because, like, highest of compliment. I love Susie so much. I kin her low-key, low-key, low-key. Whoa! Platinum! What do we got here? You can go to bed. Good night. The vibe of the sharp teeth, right? Right? On low-key. Alright, is this a stupid horse race? Damn it, where's all the 2,000 meter races, bruh? Why are these all short races? They're so baby race. What the hell? Alright, let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do. Oh, she's the only one Jesus Christ! What are all these horses doing? But yeah, we're like just in the early ranks of chapter 4. We're just walking around town right now. I gotta get my, ow! I gotta get my girl boss Undyne back, bro. That's a lot of horse. Late surgers be surging. Gulp! Gulp! I'm scared! Alright. Do your thing. Quit horsing around! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll do better. And then we'll do some gambling right before I end stream. Right before. Come on! Stick around, stick around. At work at the moment, it is dead. Go, Carrot, go! Oh my god, good morning, Sleep Addict. Hello. Good morning. Dude. Dead work hours. Arman! Holy shit, welcome in! Ow! You killed Journal with that one. Holy shit.
4 years. That's a little bit of time, yeah.
Yeah, that's a little insane. Positive. Thank you so much for the resub. How are you doing? Welcome in. Good to see you. Youngest person ever! Actually, don't we have that? Isn't that just exclamation? How old are you?
Shark.
How old are you?
Yeah!
I'm 4 years old.
What the fuck is that?
You are the youngest person
Tomar. Tomar. I'm good, just woke up. Oh my god, good morning. Woo! We should go to the finals! We're going to finals! Alright. We can do one training. Ow! Ouch! We'll do a power training. Luchador. Oh, finals! Ow! Oh, wow! Slipstream.
Let's go gambling!
I'm a horse girl now? No. Don't worry. I'm still a shark. I'm just horse-brained. Just get a little silly on the weekend. Get a little horse silly with the horse. Corner skill turning. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Let's go gambling. And Stinky, excuse you. I actually showered. 14. Damn it! Is this the last race? I guess we could do a stupid horse. Is this the last race? I can't tell. I can never remember. It might be, right? Just get a horse hairband. I know that there are some VTuber accessories. Okay, I guess we'll have to do a stupid horse race because we never got a 2,000 meter race at all. It is? Okay. Thank you for reassuring me. Alright. This is gonna be hype, guys. We're gonna bring out the 1,000 bajillion Gex song. There we go. Jokey! Welcome in. It's time!
So I ran out to the track to get my cash back. I just gotta leave this
Drumma, stop it!
So I found the fucking jockey and I grabbed it.
Oh, where did he go? What happened? He listened to me. Okay, it's time. Jokey, how you doing? Thank you for the biddy. Stupid horse time. Stupid horse, I just fell out of the Porsche. Lots of money in my bank account. Stupid horse, I just fell out of the Porsche. Lots of money in my bank account. Come on, Kieran, pick it up. Pick that shit up. Pick it up.
Stupid horse and a swordfish dance. Spending my money on fish that jealous of.
Bourbon's gonna take this. Kieran's stuck in the middle. Bourbon is stuck in the middle. Good night, Kane! Oh wait, she's coming up. Oh, come on, Kieran, come on! Pull up! Pull up! She's trying. I think that's it! Oh, it was so close. No, we're second. We're second. We're second. That was so close. We'll try again. We'll try again. We'll try again. That was close. That was close as fuck. God damn. We'll try again. We'll try again. Holy shit. That was kind of epic. I need a new song now. What the fuck? I wasted my horse song on that. Try with the Nightcore. That's gonna be like 1 minute long. That's gonna be a single minute long. Wait, I know what song I can do. I know what song. Hold on. Where is it? I know. This song works a little better because of Kieran's colors. I know. This is not the song. What is it? Oh, here it is. I got it. Yeah! She's a little white pony. On my little white pony, that's how we get down. Riding around. On my little white pony, that's how we get down. Riding around. On my little white pony, that's how we get down. I think Bourbon's gonna fucking beat us up though. Ow! I don't know, Kira's keeping pace though. Sleep Shark? What is that? What is Sleep Shark? My horse. Oh, Sleepy? Yeah. When I start streaming again, I get my energy back. Oh, wait! McQueen! McQueen! Man. Come on, Kieran. Pick up your feet. No, she don't got it. Not this time. Not this time. There's still song left. Second again? Come on, you're so close. She's so close. My redeems, like the throwables? It's, the throwables are just a program called Twitch Integrated Throwing Program. That's the main program I use for all these. And I know there's some other based ones, but that's the main one for me. Alright, let's see if this can do any better. She is keeping pace. Did you guys know that this song is by an artist who wears a horse mask? She's pretty based. Ow! My little white pony, that's how we get down. Yeah! Go! Go, girl, go! Kill Bourbon! Kill her! Yeah! Woo! That's my girl right there! Yeah! Yeah! Hey, we did it! She fucking did it! She fucking did it! She fucking did that shit! Yes, sir! Let's go, Kieran. I knew you could do it. Beautiful. Ow! Star! Star! I could have watched the performance. We didn't get a new song though. We did it! Beauty. Beautiful. Aww. That's lovely. Oh, I got an achievement. 3 good endings. That's me. That's me, guys. Bit later. Half horse, half man. So I don't know that song. Good night, Graycon. I hope you get some good sleep. Good night, good night. Thanks for chilling. Absolute banger. I'll have to put that on the list. International? Oh, shit. Google it? I'll have to check after this. A special delivery of cuteness to them wherever they may be. It's time to expand my circle of cuteness. I'm coming for you, everyone. Kurin is approaching your location immediately. Oh my god, look at her little fucking dress! I'm dead. Before I realize we're at the airport ready to set off. Are you still half asleep? Come on, stay with me. Today's my brand new path to cuteness. After cute is super cute, and after that is super duper cute. My dream is endless, chase forever. She's leaving. She's a figure, really? Oh. And but I could take on the universe. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. She's gone. She left. Damn, that's a lot of power. Big power. Big power. Do we have any skill points left? Oh, we do. Shit. Is your boyfriend here? No, he's in bed already. And I have headphones on. Alright, we'll do that one. We'll do the big one. What time is it? It's honestly almost time to go. It's my range time. Finish the career! Yeah! We did a whole new career. Another one. That was really good. B! Oh, okay. Okay, I take a B. What gets you better final rank? Is it just based off your main stats, really? I'm assuming. Finals champion. I'm gonna assume that's kind of what affects the final rank, is your total. Okay, I'll take it. I will take the Kurin. The Kurin are pretty sure. Okay. Yeah, okay. Stats, fans, and skills. Oh, right. So if you get, go up the pyramid more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense now. That makes sense. Gold sheet bonus. Not a TikTok. I am, funny enough. Maybe we just got different For You pages.
Huh?
Alright, D1. This was my girl that I did a few days ago. Dude, Narita, fucking crazy. She was fucking crazy. She killed it when I was doing it with her. She killed that shit! Wait, did I not save that? Oops, hold on. I'm gonna go back to my team trials. Did I save my team? Oh, no I didn't. Good thing I checked. Slay. Slay! Okay, go back. Did I do the daily race? Yeah. Actually, let's try this one. Let's try this one right here. With Narita. I love her outfit. I love Narita's outfit. She's got a big ass coat. Me when I'm normal. Eat a sundae. Eat a sundae, girl. Get better. I got better. Yeah, she always goes in late and then she fucking blasts like a fucking rocket ship. She fucking runs. Daily race, daily race. Do the dailies. I haven't actually beat this one yet. It's the hard variant. Okay. And then I'll probably look to wrap up stream. But hey, you'll see me again today. You'll see me again in, what time is it? 2 plus 10, 14 hours or so. Because we're gonna do some spooky Sunday. I'm very excited. What? I'm streaming again. I'm streaming again. Soon, TM. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. If you're new here, I don't always stream at this time of the day, I promise. 14 hours, yeah, that's when I go live next. Oh my god, wait, stop! What the hell? Hell yes, we're playing Dream Core, which is another like liminal freak game that I love. Those freaky funny games that I love. Alright guys, Narita's doing her thing, watch, she's gonna do it. She's about to do it. Here she goes. Doing her shit again. On her Narita shit. Why did that ding give me an idea of a PNG and or the model? Does it really a wink wonk? There she goes. There she goes, winning that fucking race. In jeans. Girls in fucking jeans, bro. She's in jeans. Holy shit. Slay. Alright. Beauty. Alright, you guys ready to gamble? You guys ready? Actually, wait. Hold on. We got some shit to unlock. We got story modes. More R than the rest of the school combined. She really do, though. There is a new banner horse that I do not have. Let's go gambling, dude, with the final waste. That's a lesbian, baby. Alright. Enhance. Wait, what can we enhance? Training? Oh, slay. Let's do it. Nice. Who else? Who else? Bakusin! Bakusin! Okay. Yeah. I want to do a Bakushin run soon. Soon. Let's go gambling. Okay, what do we got? We got the Pretty Derby. So I can get her. I should do. I guess that's all. There's not much right now. Those are supporter cards. Are so comfy, really? Hell yeah. Alright. We can do at least 2 pulls tonight. 2 biggers. 2 big ones. Biggie. The 10. Yeah. Okay, don't scam me like last time. Okay. I got my guaranteed. Oh my god! I know that! I know that horse! What the hell was... Oh! Bonus! Bakusin! Oh! Another! Hi, vodka. Hi, vodka. Hi again. Bakusin! Oh! Jesus Christ! Where are y'all coming? Jesus Christ! Stop! Calm down! That's enough slices! What the fuck? How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was fucking 6 gold. 6 2-star. I'm doing it again. We're doing one more. Jesus Christ. Shots! 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 Okay. 3 vodka. Okay, sick. Ah! 3 gold. 3! Oh! R.I.P. Grass Wonder, I love you. R.I.P. Bakushin! Maybe that's my sign. Bakushin is next in line. Pop gun. Ah! Good. Another Condor. Epic! Epic and good. Epic and good. And now I will do 1 card. 1 supporter card. What the? What the fuck? Who is that? What? Dude, who is she? I love her. What the fuck? What in the fucking Vocaloid? That's Twin Turbo, obviously. What the hell? I love her. Okay. Actually, wait. I'll do one more. One more card. One more card. I need more cards. Ah, McQueen! Whose VTuber is that? Whose VTuber is that? For another 2 years. What the hell? Why? Why not? Actually, wait, I can do one more scout. We'll do one more scout. We'll do one more scout. We'll waste all of our money. Oh! 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 Oh, McQueen! McQueen! Magical girl McQueen! I love you! Oh! Streamer luck. I'll take it. I'll take it. Last one of the night. Yeah! Oh yeah! I'll take it. I'll take that. I'll take these dubs. All right. We have a star in luck. Let me guess. Oh wait. Oh, it's for Top Gun. Okay. Can't end on a win, baby. We won that shit. Good thing you did one more. That's what I'm saying. Thank God. See, guys, never stop gambling. We got a new outfit. Oh, beautiful. Hey, Sam, what the heck? Do I know what time it is? Yes, it is exactly 1:54 a.m. Next question.
Huh?
How you doing, Sam? Welcome in. Don't worry, I'm gonna end in a few minutes, actually. Give me this VTuber. Max that shit out. Well, you got me. Listen, I'm just being a little silly, okay? I'm just being a little silly. Who can we uncap? No cap? So no cap. Who? Am I blind? Ah, right here. McQueen. Take that cap off. Girl, take that bag off. Oh no, her deal is so bad. Yeah, me too. I didn't know there were VTuber horses in this game. Alright. And then we can do this. Beauty. Beauty, level that shit up. You have Shadow Wolf. Welcome in. Butterscotch. Alright, gang. Alright. Alright. We're gonna go. We're gonna go raid somebody. I'm tired. I know! That's what fucking Elena was saying. Why? Why? Is that just like the roadmap? Is that just the roadmap of things? That's crazy. That is wild. She's already in there! I do love me, so in terms of like horses for faves. To go here. I love her. She's like one of my faves. I do love Taiki so much. I loved her. Honestly, one of the main reasons is because she has a fucking gun. She's the only horse with a fucking gun. Oh fuck, I want bourbon so bad. I'm sad I missed out on bourbon. Gun where? She's got a gun, dude! In her fucking... In her goddamn power-up status. She pulls her gun out and she shoots everywhere. I heard gun. Yeah! Look it, I'll show you. It's right there. She's got a gun right there. It's right there. Her gun is right there. She's got a fucking loaded rifle. Pistol. Duh. It's probably because she looks nothing like an actual horse. I was embarrassed about her design. No! No! They gotta connect with VTubers. What the hell's a kilometer? There's a big gun above it. Yeah. Look at, she shoots her gun and shit. Check this out. She fucking shoots you. No, wait. Yeah. Check this shit out. She's gonna shoot, she shoots her opponents. She pulls her gun out and she just shoots everybody. She just shoots everybody in the race. Look at it. Bang, bang, bang! She's shooting! Shots fired! Shots fired! And she does that in the race.
ついてきてくださいね
Howdy! I love her. I love her. This is the girl currently in the current. Can't lose. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. I also like Mrs. Rudolph. I love her. I love her. She's very, very nice. She looks weird without her army outfit on. Yeah. Wait, really, Elena? Oh god, Twin Turbo, no, what happened? Oh my god. How many good eggs? I've gotten 3. Tres. I've gotten 3 so far. I haven't played too much of the game, to be honest. I only got like 15 hours in the game, which I guess isn't a decent amount, but she's in the arms. Sign me up. I'm about to be in her arms, if you know what I mean. Fave 3, 17th, 10th. Oh god, girly, no. Alright. I guess I'm gonna leave on this screen. We're gonna find somebody to raid right now. Before the ad hits, because I'm gonna go to bed. Let's see who's live. Let's see who's live that we can send a horse raid to. Horse time! Yes, I'm glad you guys came to a silly stream. Silly time. There are a few people online, but I feel like I could just send you guys to a very vibey stream that is just a 24/7. It's just a 24/7 animal cam stream, and I think we might just raid there for the chillers, the chillness of it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for fun. We're gonna go raid. What the hell? How do I say this? Thank you for the daily oatmeal. We're gonna go raid this sanctuary, Alvius Sanctuary, who does a 24/7 animal stream of their animal sanctuary, and it's very cozy and cute as hell. And that is the vibes we're gonna go to. It's a very good channel. I love them a lot. I've been following them forever. They do fundraisers a lot too. It's great. I don't really think we need to have a raid message. I'm just gonna send you guys over there. So thank you guys for joining me today, again, on this silly evening. And I will be live again today, aka Sunday. AKA tomorrow, because when I go to sleep, that's when tomorrow happens. Okay. Okay. Girl, let's turn this down. Turn that down. Alright. But yeah, I will be live again tomorrow, aka Sunday, aka Spooky Sunday. You know the drill. I do have the Discord. This is where I announce what I'm up to and what I'm doing. And I might do this again next weekend, maybe not. I don't know. Who knows? We're gonna go raid this person, this channel. Very vibey. Oh yeah, they have like follower mode only on, so we don't need a raid message. I'm just gonna go send you guys to funny, silly, sleepy animal cam. Alright. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks for joining me tonight in this night of nights. It's always fun. Maybe we'll do it again. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Good night.